Hey guys, good morning. I think this is gonna be a fun day today. So I was reading your comments and I was actually reading Kit's comments more specifically. And somebody said the little yogurt drink, I'll put the comment here, but it reminded them of going to the ocean and just having a good time in Okinawa. One of the things that I haven't done or Kit hasn't done and Chris has been wanting to do this is go to the ocean and just jump in the water. And we haven't done that yet. So I'm gonna ride my bike to Comprehensive Park, which is actually quite a long bike ride, but I've done it before. And I'm just gonna jump in the ocean there. I found my old, what do you call it, snorkel and my water shoes. So I'll put those on and I'll just wear this stuff that I'm wearing now, jump in the water. So let's do it. Before we get started, I'm gonna go into the 7-Eleven right here and get some breakfast for the journey. This is sort of a close-ish 7-Eleven to the house, so we're just getting started. Let's see what they got inside. So I got a Pocari Sweat and a Spam Musubi. Keeping it really Okinawan today. Going to the ocean, getting the Spam Musubi. Well, I guess not Pocari Sweat, but what are you gonna do?
You and me stuck on the ocean now. Nothing but waves and they're spilling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you? I don't even know how we got here. All my reasoning have disappeared. I wanna bury the hatchet and find the way back to our home, our home, our home. We don't have to drift inside this dome.
Oh guys, there's like no one here. This is awesome. Look, that's the big play structure and it's like completely empty. And there it is, guys. The great Umi.
Chasing all that surplus, you were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place.
All right, guys. Got my snorkel, got the water. I guess I'll bring you guys too, since this is the point of this thing. My phone's waterproof, I just don't want to lose it. It's not cold at all. It's very nice. I put my water shoes on. Click underwater for a second, guys. The mic might mess up after this. What do you guys see? Can you still hear me? The Face ID didn't work for some reason. This is kind of salty. Getting all the way in now. It's not very deep here.
Okay, let's hold on. Very nice indeed. Now just take a look underwater.
I don't see anything. So I'm realizing, hold on. I'm realizing this wasn't the best beach choice for snorkeling, considering the water is really shallow and it's nothing but dirt and rocks. There's no coral or anything here. I mean, still kind of cool, I think. It feels good to be in the water like this. Pretty amazing. There's a bunch of people on the beach. They're probably wondering what I'm doing. I don't know if you can see all those people underneath the tree there. I don't know, I just kind of looked up and there was all of a sudden a bunch of people here and I'm the only one out like in the water, so. Guys, I'm riding through the park now, and I am just blown away at how pretty Okinawa is. You know, I've never done this before, but jumping into the ocean with all my clothes on, hanging out there, and then jumping on the bike and riding a bike, I can't even tell you how relaxing this is. It feels so good to ride a bike when you're fully wet from like the ocean. I don't know what it is. It's just like, it's so natural and organic. It's like when you chew 5 gum.
New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
Stimulates your senses. Hey guys, guess what? Look who's here.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
It's Kuya, Chris. Koopa.
I still haven't made a YouTube though. Half a year later, sorry.
We're gonna jump in the ocean, the umi.
Cause it's so hot.
It
今日は蒸し暑いですから。
It's so nice. 今日は蒸し暑いですね。
はい、そうです。
そう。
じゃあ海に行きましょうね。
行きましょう。
おい。
If you guys, we're at Lawson's right now. If you guys have never had this, the cheese chicken, little chicken nugget things, they're... No, you don't say it. What? They're really good. I don't know what Chris was gonna say.
So this one, I'm gonna try this one is the cheese dog.
Cheese stick dog? Cheese corn dog?
Yeah, that's.
Or the American dog?
American
Ooh.
dog. Looks oishi desho.
It actually has cheese on it, like big chunks.
Yeah, it's a cheese dog.
I don't know. We have cheesy corn dogs, but they're like inside the corn dog.
Oh, inside? Yeah.
I've
I
never
think
seen
this
it
one
like
is
that.
probably like some kind of different bread, maybe.
Let's see. Go for it.
Itadakimasu. They also come with ketchup and mustard, by the way. This cheese is really nice because you can. What you
Oh
can do
yeah.
is
Are you
can
gonna
blend
put it on or no?
And
We'll try it without it first, I guess.
Itadakimasu. Very good.
Oh, it does have string cheese in it.
Is it?
Oh, you can see Mangasoko right behind us. The best store in Okinawa.
Open 24 hours.
24 hours.
Actually, they just changed the interface, but it used to be black, remember?
Yeah, it was like a dark brown or something.
I think they change it once every 10 years. But I think the last time they changed it was like 2010, 2011. So.
Oh, what was it before?
This color actually.
Oh, they just changed it back. Oh, okay. Guys, we're back to the same spot. And look how long it's been. Look how low tide it is now compared to last time. And Chris has no water shoes. So we're gonna try and trek through this. Yeah, look how low this is. Right where I was, guys. I was sitting in the water right here. And that's the rock that I climbed up.
You climbed up it? Like all the way to the top?
No, no, no. Just right here.
Oh.
Just to get on it. Yeah, sea cucumber.
Pick it up?
No. Do you? You can pick it up for the video. It is not getting any deeper.
Nope.
Look
Not
how
at all.
far we are from the... Yeah, we're way past it. And we're still like the same. Everybody, look who's joining the party. It's the entire crew. Okay, let's see Chris's first bite. What is it?
Cheese and kalbi.
Verdict.
Oishi desu.
Scale 1 to 12.
Why 12?
13, sorry.
11?
It's
really good.
It's so good. It's a thing of genius.
Well, they don't have
I got
kalbi
this.
normally except for summer.
I just want to show you guys this. It's raw egg in here.
I forgot something.
Anyway, yeah, my dad was stationed in Sasebo, and he liked it not because it was Japan. It was his favorite time in the Navy because one of his crew members or whatever broke the ship's engine, not in half. Yeah, and they had to pull into like the nearest port, and it just happened to be Sasebo. They were there for like months, like 2 or 3 months, because the ship was so wrecked.
One of it was broken in half, so.
Yeah, exactly. They had a lot of work to do. No, but he really enjoyed it because aside from that time, he was like never on land for more than like 2 or 3 days.
And that boat, like they built that thing to live in, but there's like nothing to do.
Yeah, but like back then they didn't even have, I was gonna say electricity, but they had electricity. Back then they didn't have like TVs or
How old
anything.
do you think my dad is, Chris? There's a cat. Been out all day, guys. This is the end. Chris is gonna take my bike in his car so I don't have to ride it all the way back. Just gonna go home, relax. So that was the beach day, guys. That was a fun day for me. Thank you so much for watching my shenanigans and meeting up with Chris and Kit. It was a lot of fun. So thanks so much, everybody. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.